Ever wondered why your body suddenly hiccups?
Hiccups happen because your diaphragm, the thin muscle below your lungs that helps you breathe, suddenly jerks. This spasm is triggered by the phrenic nerve. Eating too fast, swallowing air, laughing, or even sudden temperature changes can give it a tiny shock, causing the hiccup sound. Even babies in the womb hiccup. Your body practices breathing early. Hiccups are harmless, but everyone experiences them.
Have you hiccuped today? Comment yes or no.